Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to delete Tab Color account. To delete your Tab Color Pro account, follow the steps till the end of the video. First of all, open up the Tab Color Pro application and from the main home page, go ahead and click on the gear icon at the top right hand corner. Once you open up the settings menu or the gear icon, you will be able to see the settings options. Scroll all the way down until you see the delete account button, and if you're sure you want to delete, click on delete account. Deleting your account means all your data and content will be permanently lost. If you have an active subscription, it must be cancelled separately through your App Store account settings. If you are sure you want to delete it, click on the delete account button again, and in the pop-up, click on delete one more time to confirm. Right after you do that, you will be able to delete your Tab Color Pro account. Once the account is deleted, you can uninstall the app from your device if you no longer wish to use it. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.